We have a question from a YouTube viewer asking about Euro Pound. Absolutely. That's a good one to look at this week because you've got quite the reversal higher. So look at that candle. So let's start by looking at, where we're coming from. What's that low this week? It's like smack dab on the low from March of 2019, interestingly enough. So look at that. It looks to be some seasonal stuff going on here because this is March 2019. This is March 2020. This is not quite March, but late April. You get the idea, of 2021. And just look at it from a very simple perspective. What do you have going on here? Ever since October 2016, it's a big range, right? I actually want to show you, I want to see if we have, this is actually right here. We've got these magenta bars. These are weekly reversals. This is in pound yen. Gosh, allergies are the worst. All right. All right, so what I have here is a Euro Pound chart, a weekly chart, and we're looking at reversals with a volatility filter from 1 year highs or lows. Okay, so you can see the ones in the tops over the last 5 years have been pretty good. But yeah, we're going to get one this week, as you can see here. So, the question here from the YouTube viewer asking about Euro Pound, I'm not exactly sure what your time frame is, and that's if you're asking a question, try to let me know, what you're looking at from a time frame perspective, because I could be looking at a weekly chart or a daily chart, and you might be looking at a 1 second chart. I have no idea what's going on. But from my perspective here, we have this big weekly reversal. So, from the bottom of a massive range. So I'm looking higher. The levels that I'm looking at, I'm going to pay attention to this channel. This is the channel that goes back to the March 2020 high. And again, look at the center line here. Perfect. Beautiful action. So pay attention to that center line, which is going to be in line with this high. That's a decent level to pay attention to for a pullback. Right? That's going to be 87.30. Again, you don't have to pull back from there. If we break above it, then look for the level to hold as support. But again, my base case, if you will, is to look for a pullback from that spot. And then you've got this impulsive advance. So if you pull back from it, you're going to look for a corrective decline to hold. And a good place to start for a pullback is to look at the 200-hour average. But one thing at a time here. Look for this level, 87.30, to provide resistance for a pullback, and then look to buy that pullback. So there's so many ways to play this, right? We have a huge weekly reversal, but we're coming into resistance. You could look to short that, or you could wait for a pullback, look to buy that, or wait for a break above and try to buy the pullback into the top of that line. So I do hope that helps. If anything, just know that you have this well-defined channel from the March 2020 high, and I would draw that in on your chart so that you could follow along. All righty. So before I wrap it up, I am going to remind you that we are looking for profitable money managers to join our ranks here at Scandinavian Capital Markets. So we've got clients all over the world that are looking for strategies to invest in. So if you are a profitable trader and you would like to become a money manager, we can fund your strategies with up to $2 million. You need to go to ScandinavianMarkets.com. Excuse me, ScandinavianMarkets.com/fundmytrades. Again, that is ScandinavianMarkets.com/fundmytrades. So go there, register, and come join us. And other than that, I wish you all a very, very wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you next week. All right, take care. So, as you know, or should know, I am working with Scandinavian Capital Markets as the Chief Technical Strategist. We're based in Stockholm. Scandinavian Markets is a market maker, and we are looking for profitable traders to join our ranks. We have clients all over the globe that are looking for more strategies to invest in. So if you are a profitable trader and you would like to get into the money manager world, you know, all goes according to plan and things go well, you can get your, you can get your strategy funded with up to $2 million. Okay, so come and show us your skills. To register, go to ScandinavianMarkets.com/fundmytrades. Again, that is ScandinavianMarkets.com/fundmytrades.